everyone, I'm Kristel and Celemin from the Pampanga State University, Alangilan Campus, taking Bachelor of Science in Information Technology from the section 2105. This video is all about the compilations of the activities in chapter 9. So let's start with the first activity. So this is the first activity. Activity TCP and UDP characteristics. Instructions: drag each characteristic to its TCP or UDP delivery method. So the first characteristic is less overhead. So the less overhead is for the UDP. UDP is less overhead. Then the next one is connectionless. UDP is also a connectionless. Next one is fast transmission requirements. It is also a UDP. Fast transmission requirements. Then sequence message segments. So it is the TCP. Then no acknowledgement of recipient. It is the UDP. Then no order delivery is also UDP. So we're done in the UDP. So I guess it is all TCP. The guaranteed delivery is TCP. Flow control is TCP. Order delivery is TCP. Then session establishment is TCP. So let's check if our answers are correct. So correct, we have successfully matched each characteristics to its TCP or UDP delivery method. So let's now proceed to the next activity. This is the next activity, part 1. TCP connection and termination process. So it is the three-way handshake of TCP establishment session. The instruction: drag each descriptor to its appropriate place in the image to illustrate the three-way handshake of the TCP establishment session. So it will send by the SYN to SYN comma ACK. Then the SYN comma ACK will send to the SYN comma ACK. Then here the ACK will send to the ACK. So let's check if our answers are correct. So correct, you will have successfully illustrated the three-way handshake requirements of the TCP establishment session. So let's proceed to the part 2. So this is the part 2, TCP connection and termination process. 4-step process of TCP termination session. So instruction is: drag each descriptor to its appropriate place in the image to illustrate the 4-step process of the TCP termination session. So the feed will send and it will receive by the fin. Then the ACK will send to the ACK. Then the fin the fin or the FIN will send to FIN. Then the ACK will send to the ACK also. Let's check if our answers are correct. So correct, you have successfully illustrated the four-step process of the TCP termination session. So let's proceed to the next activity. This one. Activity TCP, UDP, or both. So the instruction is drag the application layer protocol to its transport layer delivery method, TCP, UDP, or both. So the application layer protocol is these are the application layer protocol, and these are the transport layer delivery method, that's TCP, UDP, and or both. So the first is the HTTP, so it is the TCP. Then the next one is Telnet. Telnet is also TCP. Then the FTP. The FTP is also a TCP. Then the DHCP. DHCP is the UDP. Then SMTP. SMTP is TCP. Next is SNMP. SNMP is both. So both. It is both TCP and UDP. Then S is also both. Then the next one is the VoLTE is UDP. The TFTP is also UDP, and the IPTV is also a UDP. So let's check if our answers are all correct. So correct, you have successfully matched the application layer protocols to their transport layer delivery methods. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Again, these are the compilations of the activities in chapter 9. So thank you for watching.